If you have a piece of content that's attached to a site view node and therefore available at a URL, more often than not, if you need to make a change to that piece of content, you'll navigate to site view, find the node, and make a small change against that entry. You can see here I'm going to change a small typo, save that, and then publish it. That'll instantly take effect and be available on your URL using the node that you've just edited. If, however, you're making some significant changes to a piece of content, perhaps you've been working on an entirely new entry that you want to replace it with, or perhaps you've been working on a new content type altogether that's going to replace your node, you can navigate to the node in question, use the three dots or the right click to open the action menu, and choose Replace Entry entirely. From here, you'll get the familiar dialog where you can either use the search input or the content type filter to find the entry that you're looking for. In this case, we've been working on a brand new Get in Touch page that you can see here. So if I select that from here and choose Replace Entry, they're instantly switched over, and that entry is now attached to my node and available on that URL. So that's how you replace an entry on a node in SiteView.